Here at Washington STEM, we are dedicated to ensuring equity, access, and opportunity for STEM education. We want Washington students to have everything they need to succeed, and we know career-connected learning can help create a deeper, richer learning experience. So that's why we've created a career readiness workshop that brings students and STEM professionals together to help sharpen and master the skills that they need to be college and career ready.
I came to tonight's event because I just wanted to know more about just STEM in general, just so I can see what it's about.
The goals of the workshops were to simulate an experience for students, to prepare them for interviews for a STEM job. We created an environment where we got the professionals who work across various different industries to come in and help students work through telling their story of pitching themselves, understanding how to write a really good resume, and then also go through interview questions for mock interviews.
I learned how to make my resume better and how to project my voice and be confident in myself and set myself apart from everybody else to make myself unique so then I can be successful in getting that job.
There was also some mentoring from the professionals to help students get a sense of what those professionals do for work.
I wanted to come to this career workshop because I wanted to talk to professionals and just be a sponge and kind of take in every little bits and details of their profession and how they get prepared, how they get work done, just different habits they have, so I can apply it when I go to college and further.
Thinking about the students that were at my table and some of the skills they picked up and just how furiously they were taking notes and how enthusiastic they were about actually applying them when they had an opportunity to go up and practice. It was great to see them take that really seriously in the service of getting to what they want to do in the future.
So I work in technology, and there are large groups of people missing from that workforce. The recruiting that happens, it's at the university level. And these businesses or companies are going to the universities, or going to the career fairs, and they're trying to recruit diverse students. But those students aren't even there because they haven't made it there. And so if we can reach back earlier in the pipeline to prepare students, we can help get them to be a part of that pool that gets recruited. This is why programs like this matter.
Taking what we've learned from our partners and this experience, we've created a playbook that any educator or facilitator from across the state can pick up and implement in their region.
I hope every student throughout Washington State has the opportunity to go through something like this. All these things play out over time such that, the earlier we learn some of these things, that practice accumulates over time. I think it could have a cascading effect throughout the state.
I just want to be able to do something that I'm actually truly interested in, and every day I can go to work saying, I'm excited to go to work. Coming to these events is like a pathway to seeing what you truly want to do.
The kids who attended the workshops, they can go out and pitch themselves and they'll get jobs. I would hire some of them.